Are you tired of losing money trading cryptocurrencies? Sign up for my free trading AI with over 50% monthly return on your investment. Link is in the description. It is now soaring 384% of the burn rate due to the SHIB burn rate, which is always good news. Shiba Inu is also just about to add a zero, so the flood enters once more. I won't let it have an impact on me or my investment, and neither should you. I'll explain why in a moment. And I predict that this week the price of Shiba Inus may skyrocket. So pay attention. But the good news is that the burn rate increased by 380%. We burned nearly 5 million calories compared to 1 million the day before, Hence, 5 million SHIB. Okay, that was better than yesterday. Still far from sufficient. The good news is that Shibarium will be released shortly. And as a result, we'll get burned. Thus, the secret to everything is patience. To create their own cold wallet, the SHIB team has been working. So they are currently developing their own cold wallet. That's significant. Your token is kept in a cold wallet. So it stands to reason that storing your tokens on an exchange, such as Binance or Coinbase, qualifies as a hot wallet. However, if you decide to send your tokens to a cold wallet, Coinbase has one that goes by the name of Coinbase Wallet exists independently of Coinbase. The wallets MetaMask, Trust, and a few others are also available. They are cold wallets, and it's pretty cool that the SHIB team is constructing their own cold wallet. And it's wonderful because they're making a sincere effort to do everything. They're attempting to create the equivalent of the next Ethereum, basically, by creating an ecosystem of tokens that have greater usefulness rather than just one token. We've all seen what happens when Ethereum is used, after all. So I'm not just pulling something out of my behind when I say, SHIB's going to go to a penny. Really, this is legitimate. I have visited there. Ethereum was formerly $1, as I recall. I remember when Bitcoin cost $1, and I paid attention to what everyone else had to say. There's no way it's going to cost $100, I thought. Consider the present. The Ethereum reached its apex at around 5,000. Bitcoin reached a high of over 67,000, while a hypothesis reached a peak of about 5,000. That is crazy, it's practically impossible. When we first considered that, a lot has changed. A lot of new utility has been added. People have accomplished a lot. However, not all of their goals have been met. And even when anything goes wrong, people just keep trying until everything works out. And CBT is producing the same results for me. And for that reason, among others, I want to wait it out on this one. We can create short-term gains using all the micro-cap tokens I want to base off of Shibarium in terms of short-term gains. There are numerous opportunities available. So that we may make the most of it, we'll utilize them all. But first, a quick market update. This is crucial then. BTC price is 29,000 this week has been one of consolidation. The major Fed meeting is this week. It's crucial. We'll see how the inflation situation plays out, and whether or not rates will be raised by 25 basis points. Will they discuss the time frame for when they'll stop raising rates? Will they discuss when they plan to begin lowering rates? Knowing that there have been numerous bank failures, maintaining rate increases will be detrimental given that inflation has been sharply reduced. And I believe that when we get to that point, we're on course to hitting 2%. That's what will happen. And once we return to 2%, they may lower rates and stimulate the economy once more. I can tell you right now that if the economy is still strong, everything is looking fantastic because everything else in it is still pumping. Investors will begin purchasing the riskiest assets available as soon as the uncertainty surrounding rate changes has passed. Because of this, which includes cryptocurrency, many of the investors there don't currently purchase as many of these digital currencies as they once did. Therefore, when the rates rise, yes, you worry about what's happening even though a recession doesn't seem likely. They find it difficult to invest a lot of money, but once the uncertainty is over, things like rates can start to rise once more. We're all prepared for it, so be prepared for one of the biggest things to come to cryptocurrencies very soon. We are all eager. I adore you all. I appreciate your attention. In the following one, I'll see you.